Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be different but very exciting because we are going to be playing with pore strips, and as you guys have seen on YouTube somewhere, the Microscope, which I bought this Microscope a very long time ago and I play with it often for no reason at all, but it was cheap. I got it off Amazon. I'll link it down below, as well as the pore strips. I don't know how well these will work, but I did buy a bunch. So basically what I'm going to be doing is using a pore strip, analyzing my nose before the pore strip, analyzing my nose after the pore strip, and then showing the gross pore strip with a microscope to see what all actually came off. I'm very interested in these videos. I personally watch pore videos all the time. I find them weirdly not satisfying, but just interesting. So with that being said, that's what we're going to do today. Hopefully you won't be grossed out and you'll enjoy the video. Let's sing the subscribe song and then jump right in. Yeah!
Be sure and subscribe to my channel before you subscribe.
Alright, let's jump into the video. Woo! Okay, this is gonna be my favorite part of the video, and this is where we inspect my nose beforehand. I'm not gonna say I didn't do it off camera, showing the pores. Girl, it was a moment. I was like, looking at me, my pores are not that large. Looking at me with this, it's a different story that has been told. So right now I have it on my nose, as you guys can see, and I found a sweet spot. Oh, guys, look at this. It just looks like these pores right here, you guys can see where I have it on camera, just need to be plucked out. They are gross. I almost just want to get tweezers and pull them out. You can also see like little particles of dirt on my face. If you see like brown discoloration, it is my lentigos, aka that's also known as a freckle. Oh, look at that big pore. Oh my god, look at it. I want to touch it. Okay, I rub my nose, my finger. Let's see. Ew, I can't find it now. This is like weird, but oh, look at that big guy. What are you doing? Get out of my nose, right? You can even see like blood vessels, which, ew, there's so much dirt. Okay, let's do the other side of my nose and then we'll put on the pore strip. We'll do the chin too. Oh my god, look at these pores, girl. Girl, clean out the pores. It's been a long time since I've done a pore strip, so I'm hoping that will help this be a good experience. Okay, let me do the forehead a little bit. I'm not really, this is my unibrow area. There's my hairs. Let's do my eyebrow for fun. That's my eyebrow hairs. We're in the eyebrow. Everything looks pretty good. It looks like I have a thick forest of eyebrows, but that's not true. Let's do my chin. I have a hairy, very hairy chin, apparently, that I didn't know about, but apparently I need to take care of the chin area. Huh. No, oh, I think that's a pore right there. Lots of hair. That's kind of weird. Like, girl, why do you have such a hairy chin, Laura? Okay, so now I picked up the Walgreens brand Deep Cleansing Charcoal Pore Strips to unclog the pores, and I figured I got the charcoal ones because it will sit against the black on the strip, so you'll really be able to see the pores come out. Also, my friend Brittany Bear did this video. I wanted to give her a shout out just because, one, I saw she did this video. I had been wanting to do it, but she just gave me, like, her video turned out so cool. I was like, girl, I'm doing it. So she did inspire me to do it. So check out her channel. Okay, we're just pressing it on. While my pore strip is drying, because I forgot these actually take a while to dry, we're going to go ahead and inspect Tyler's nose before he gets his pore strip. Now, if you didn't know, he has way bigger pores than me, so what is going on? We're going to see some action.
So
right.
I haven't showered in like 24 hours, so this is going to be a great example of just some nastiness.
Ew, you're sweaty.
And it might be red too because I just wiped the heck out of it.
Have it filming? Okay, here we go, here we go. Okay, winded my nose. Oh, there's your pores.
Is it in focus?
Ew, look at that pore right there and a little hair coming out of it.
Ew, why is there a hair on my nose?
Ooh, look at that big pore right there.
I can't see because your hand's in the way.
Sorry.
Oh, snap.
Okay, let's do your cheek.
They look like freckles.
Yeah, but you don't have freckles. They should know that. Oh, yeah, you can kind of tell it's a pore right there.
This, I have like a bump right here.
I like it's right there.
Is that it? What is it?
I don't know.
Oh, wow.
Look at these. Wait,
Wow, that looks like
whoa,
freckles.
look at these pores.
Let me know.
Whoa.
Go ahead. Look at that.
Yeah, insane, right? Am I right? Like, isn't that crazy?
Oh, look at that.
Look at that one. Look at that one, yeah. Wow. Oh, we didn't need, not the inside tie.
Wait, can we look at my beard? Oh my god. What if there's like little bugs in it?
Ew, don't even say that.
Beard bugs. Look at that, where the hair is coming through.
Ty, you have to put it down. If I had to say one thing I hate about these pore strips, it gets like the black charcoal all over your face while you're wetting it. Stop, Ringsman.
Can they hit me?
Alright, so my pore strip is ready to go. I am just like so excited, and I'm going to be so disappointed if we don't get some crazy action and get those pores out of my nose. So here's the pore strip. It left like a black residue all over my face, and I had to take a cloth and clean it. Well, that's the black. Okay.
Just take the whole thing off and we'll go over your nose.
Okay, I think you're right. I think we should take it off. This pore strip sucks. Nothing, Ty, nothing. All my pores are sitting fine and look at this. All my pores are still in my nose. Okay, that's so annoying and rude. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is wipe all this off, and I'm gonna try the Biore Ultra Deep Cleansing Pore Strip with witch hazel. And basically, I'm going to give this whole thing a round 2.
I'm going to swallow this and see where it goes.
Go ahead and check the mic. Oh.
Is it working?
Barely. These suck.
I think it's like a Band-Aid. Like you should just... Ow! My pinky toe!
I'm sorry. You still see the pores?
And nothing came up? Look. It's got something.
It's like just the top layer of skin, you know? See how slow I'm pulling this thing?
Is it supposed to be quicker? I want to see one come out.
Look at that guy. Okay, here we go. Whoa. Wow, look at that, guys. Whoa, we got a big one. It got some pretty big ones on you. Okay, I'm just slowly pulling it up. We're getting some more. Oh my gosh, watch it. Ooh. Ah! We're doing another one, guys, because
The last one was a flop.
it was. The black ones I don't recommend to you guys at all. All right, we are going to attempt to peel off the white pore strip. It does feel done. Why are you jerking away?
You were touching on it, Tima. You gotta get this back.
Here we are screen recording. Wait, oh, look at. Ooh.
What are we like looking?
I got excited. Do you see the pores coming out?
Yeah.
Whoa, guys, do you see this? Whoa, guys, look at this. Oh, yeah, it's lifting out some pretty...
Oh, look at that. It left it behind, though.
It left it behind. We saw that portion. Oh, it did pull out a big one.
Oh, I see that.
It's getting them.
Whoa.
Whoa, look at that one. This one is way more effective.
I think we just retitled your video to doing a pore strip with a magnifying
look at this
glass.
Huge one it got over there.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. Look at this, guys. Oh, mother.
Yeah, this one's
Whoa,
way better.
Guys, do not buy the Walgreens brand. I'm just really, it is missing. Whoa, look at this.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
That was so gross.
Oh my. As slow as I'm going whenever it's magnified. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, look at that one.
Hold on, watch it. Oh my gosh.
Okay, let go of the magnifying. I got it.
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness gracious, guys. I'm like, ooh, it left that one behind. You see that? It's leaving some behind. So,
Holy cow.
Brosita. If
That-
you look at the
Oh,
pore
they're
strip,
everywhere.
they're everywhere on it. So
It
now
looks-
we're going to show you it.
It looks so tiny compared to what we were just looking at.
I know. It looks...
All those hunky big pieces.
There you go. Wow.
Okay, yeah. I'm just gonna like move around.
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness.
Can you
Wait,
see
go
it?
back to where you were. Look at look at them all. Whoa. That is insane that that's like a dirt that was pulled out of a pore. Wowzer.
at that. Look at that.
Oh my goodness.
There's the
It's
focus.
I mean like yes, it looks cool on the pore strip, but it was just like so much fun, honestly, just watching it pull them out. So we're gonna do mine next. Okay, I just wanted you guys to get like an iPhone view of the pore strip so you can see what we are seeing and see like, oh yeah, you can really see. Why might this be better than the microscope? I'm just kidding. Okay. You can see all the pores on it. All right, guys, it is my turn to remove my pore strip. Let's see what happens. Oh my gosh, guys, it got pores. Wait,
Ew, what is that?
it's just residue from the pore strip.
As soon as I get it in focus, this is what it
Look
does.
at that big one. Oh. Oh, wow, look at that. Ew, 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 ew. Oh my gosh. This hurts so bad. I'm about to sneeze. Hold on, I gotta sneeze.
From it hurting you?
It's like pulling my baby hair, so it's like toying with my allergies. Okay. Oh wow, this light's really focusing.
Come on.
Okay, I'll get some iPhone footage. Mine's not... Oh, actually, I do got some goodness going on mine. Ew. Okay, so let's get it with the microscope.
I'm gonna need to
Oh, look at... These are my blackheads. Hi, welcome. Welcome to the party. Ooh, that looks so gross. So gross. My goodness. I just wanted you guys to get some iPhone footage of my pore strip. It's like right there on the edges. If you see the black, it's from the charcoal strip, but right there and right there, we got some craziness happen, some pores, and then this one is ties. So there is mine dirty. It's actually really difficult to get the pore strip with this, but I did think that we got our best footage whenever we got Ty pulling it off, because you actually got to see in a microscope what a pore strip's doing and how it's working. Okay, so the microscope is a little finicky. It was super cheap off Amazon. It's great to have fun with. I have to go wash my face because I have like these crusties all over it and it's like, ew. This was a fun video to film. Thank you guys for being here and watching. This was interesting. It was actually kind of difficult, way more difficult to film than I thought it would be, but hey, we got it done. I sneezed a whole bunch and not most, but a lot of our pores are cleared. So again, thanks for watching. Be sure and subscribe to this channel before you leave and turn your notifications on, and I will see you all in the next video.